This tutorial is for VICA30H Win, the Windows version, DOS style of the AC Motor CAD software for polyphase motor design. It is now the 8th of September in 18. I have just made a new version of it. And the new feature is about setting decimal places on your outputs. This Whatler variable, it used to be IDEC, but this is now watts, horsepower, amps, torque, losses, efficiency, and RPM. WHATLER. That's how you remember what these digits, how these apply to these 7. Now this was only set for 5 variables, but I'll show you how you can set watts and horsepower for 1 decimal place, amps and torque for 2 decimal places, and losses and efficiency for 1 decimal place, and RPM for 2 decimal places. Input's okay? No. I want to change number 100, which was that bunch of decimal places. Here's the 100 up here. So I'm going to change variable 100. What is this? Oh, I'm not ready yet. I've got goofed up here in the sequence. Let's try this again. Double click. No. Yes. Ah! Oh, I guess that's all right. 11111 is the name of the file. Input's okay, no. Change variable 100. 1122112 for WHATLER. No more changes. There's the new set of decimal places. This is decimal points to the right of the dot in the outputs. Is what the number of decimal places is I'm talking about. Input's okay, yes. Save it. Sure. Continue calculations, yes. Output the screen, yes. Now, watts, horsepower are 1. Amps, torque are 2. Loss, efficiency, RPM, loss efficiency are 1, and RPM is 2. Power factor is always going to be 2, percent load is always going to be 1. I did not make those flexible. This is more than the old DOS version used to do anyway, so this is all gravy compared to what you had in before you bought this version. So, iteration failure, it says, design cannot achieve 100% load, 125% load. Well, yeah, that's not a problem with the printout, that's a problem with the design. At least you have that now instead of just crashing. Watts, 1 is watts, horsepower, AT is 2, amps, torque, LE is 1, losses, efficiency isn't in this printout, R for RPM is 2, slip is always 5, slip isn't here. And so there is your new feature that lets you control the decimal points to the right of the decimal place. It lets you control the decimal places to the right of the decimal point in VICA30H Win. Oh, well, they'll be in the performance data files as well that are written out if you choose this option, not just the screen.